In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to keep snaps in chat for 24 hours before disappearing. This allows users to revisit conversations or media within a reasonable time frame, ensuring no important details are missed while maintaining the ephemeral nature of the platform. To do this, simply head to Snapchat. Now let's say you want to keep this sent snap in your chat for 24 hours after viewing it. Simply long hold onto the chat. Select Chat and Notification Settings. On Keep Snaps in Chat, make sure to enable this option on. Now once you view the snap, it will always stay in your chat for a period of 24 hours before disappearing. This feature is especially useful for people with busy schedules, as it offers flexibility to engage with content at their convenience without the pressure of immediate viewing or response. Well, that's how easy it is to save snaps in chat for 24 hours before disappearing. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below.